How to check flight status on Turkish Airlines. Hi guys, welcome once again to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can check flight status on Turkish Airlines. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to go ahead and create a Turkish Airlines account. Once you've created a Turkish Airlines account, you'll be brought to the Turkish Airlines homepage, and once you log in using your web browser or your mobile app. So once you're logged in, and you're with the home page, you would see Turkish Airlines logo by the left side, and then by the right side you'll see other options such as plan and book, fly different, discover, help, your profile name, the sign out option. And then you need to do is move to the lower part of the screen where you can see some options such as flights, check in or manage booking, and then flight status. So just go ahead and click on flight status. Once you click on flight status, the box would be changed, and then you would see flight number. All right, so you have to decide, is it an arrival flight, a departure flight, and then you have to input your flight number here. Once you input your flight number here, click on this arrow, and then you'll be directed to another page where you can now see and check the flight status. It is that simple. Okay, so go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.